update 1 on Tropical Storm Andres, which has formed in the Eastern Pacific and happens to be the earliest Eastern Pacific tropical storm since at least 1883, would you believe? It's currently at 14.1 degrees north, 107.7 degrees west for this early season storm, which has formed this May 9th, 2021. And there it is right now, 40 mile per hour winds sustained, a central pressure around 1005 millibars, moving north-northwest at 6 miles per hour at this very moment. So there it is displayed on the map. That's its general location, 60 miles wind field on the northeastern quadrant of tropical storm conditions. 14.1 north, 107.7 degrees west. It's currently 383 miles from Socorro Island, 402 from Manzanillo, 474 from Puerto Vallarta, 621 from Cabo San Lucas, and 632 from Mazatlan in Mexico. All of those locations on the Pacific coast there, but the storm will be moving away gradually and is not expected to last very long at all, and so Mexico is going to be in the clear from this early season storm at least. Although there could be some small amount of rain along the coastline in association with this storm, of course, on the northeastern side. There's its current wind speed. It's pretty open and shut case regarding the wind speeds, although ADT still yet to catch up with the values. This is the National Hurricane Center's forecast cone right now. You can see it taking a walk towards the northwest there, and then gradually curving around towards the west and turning into a post-tropical remnant by the time we get to Tuesday morning local time. And that will be it. It will be a very short-lived system. We're looking at 18 to 24 hours. Sorry, I should say a little bit more than that. Nearly 48 hours we're probably looking at for this storm's duration before it devolves into that remnant low. Well, let's take a look at the models right now. This is the GFS showing the storm, if you can see it. I mean, it's not that easy to see on the imagery there, but it starts out at the beginning there with the tropical storm force winds not lasting very long at all, and then shifting off towards the west, its remnants possibly traceable to 3, 4, maybe even 5 days. Now this is the total accumulated rainfall. As you can see along the coast of Mexico, not much will be from this storm. We're probably looking at very small amounts actually. And as you can see there, as we get towards the storm's path itself, where the storm is, Andres, you could be looking at 17 inches, but that is way out at sea. Sea surface temperatures, we still haven't figured out how to make them Celsius just yet, but they're still in Fahrenheit anyway. I can convert for you. Around 27 degrees Celsius where the storm is right now. A little bit warmer further south, but of course where it's headed towards the northwest, those temperatures are going to start to cool pretty quickly actually. Looking at the RAM diagnostic comparisons here, you can see how most of the models are fairly set on the storm's peak wind speed as it currently is at 40 miles per hour. Wind shear will rise through the roof by the time we get to tomorrow. And taking a look at the other parameters, sea surface temperature will drop, no surprise, relative humidity is okay, and you can see the track forecast there generally ending up in the same place, even though there are some slight deviations for each of the models. As we know, the GO-17 satellite, a little bit temperamental. I've been trying to work with it today. We've got this so far showing you the storm's progress in the last few hours there. It's been an interesting one to track so far. The convection is hauled over on the right hand side of where the center of circulation would be, and still there are some question marks whether this is indeed a tropical cyclone fully or not just yet. It's certainly got the convection. National Hurricane Center thinks it has the winds and has given it the name Andres.